our product cold press machine for pre-pressing plywood. So, it first makes glue plywood fixed, thus can easily put plywood into hard press machine. Usually, cold press machine's pressure can be 400 ton, 500 ton and 600 ton. For standard plywood size, 4 by 8 feet, 500 ton cold press are good and enough. For 500 ton plywood cold press machine, we use thick material for making frame, using 2 good main oil cylinders and with fast lifting cylinders, with Siemens brand motors and parts, with mature hydraulic station and system. Therefore, our cold press machine are strong and good quality. The operation of plywood cold press also very easy. Just put plywood into machine and press the button. Cold press will be start work. Welcome, contact us for more information about cold press machine.